Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change someone's name on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and log in if you're not already. Once you're in, swipe right from the main camera screen to open your chat list. Here, you'll see all your recent chats. Find the person whose name you want to change. Once you've located them, tap and hold their name or Bitmoji in the chat list. A pop-up menu will appear. From there, tap on Manage Friendship. Next, a new pop-up screen will appear with several options. Select Edit Name from the menu. Delete the current name and type in the new name you'd like to use. After entering the new name, tap Save to confirm the change. Finally, tap Done at the bottom, and their name will be updated in your chats and contact list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.